Hello everyone, please welcome and join me in Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and very delicious pork recipe. I'm going to make pork meat with black eye peas. It's a 1 pound black eye peas. I have a 2 big pork chops to 1.5 pound. I make it small pieces. So I'm trimming all the fat from the sides. The pork meat, 1 onion, fresh tomato, 1 green chili, 1 inch ginger. Then I'm going to use garlic cloves. Those are frozen. 5 garlic cloves. For garnish, we're going to use cilantro. Black eye peas, I soaked into the water for 10 minutes and now I'm going to drain the water. Ginger, garlic, green chili, onion, tomatoes are cut. Cumin powder, degi mirch, coriander powder. Cumin seed, 4 bay leaf. Curry powder, turmeric powder, garam masala. 1 teaspoon each. A half teaspoon salt with the tadka. Keep in mind using 1 teaspoon with the black pea. For tadka, I'm going to use olive oil and let's get started. So we have drained the water and we're going to bring black eye peas. 1 teaspoon salt, 4 cup water. We're going to close the lid, start gas, the pressure cooker, and we're going to wait for 2 whistles. Get the fry pan and I'm going to start gas. I'll bring 2 tablespoons olive oil. I'll bring cumin seed and bay leaves. Bring ginger, garlic, green chili at the same time. Let's start the pan and we're going to cook them like a half minute. We just want our garlicky flavor to go away. And this is good. Now we'll bring the onion. And we're going to cook our onion really good. And keep stirring so they don't get burned at the bottom. Cooking onion for 4 minutes. This is how they look. They are turning brown. We're going to cook additional 1 more minute. So within 5 minutes, they will be nicely cooked. Cooking our tadka for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to take out the leaves. You can leave it inside. That is okay. And now I'm going to bring the tomatoes. We are still cooking on a high gas. Start the pan. And now we're going to cook the tomatoes until they mellow down. I'll bring gas to medium. Cooking our tomatoes for 1 minute. I'll bring the gas to simmer to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. On simmer for 3 minutes. I'm going to open it. The tomatoes are mellow down nicely and I'm going to mash it. You can put it in a food processor or you can leave it as is. When I make a curry, I like smooth gravy. I'm going to use the hand blender and I'm going to make sure that it's nicely smoothened out. So be careful, don't burn yourself. Look at how nicely smooth gravy. So this is looking good. Now I'm going to bring all the spices. We have our second whistle and I'm going to turn off the gas. I'll bring the gas to medium. I'll bring all the spices. Salt, curry powder, turmeric powder, degi mirch, coriander powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. And we're going to mix them well. And I'm going to cook the masala along with the tadka for 1 minute. Look at that tadka. It's nice, smooth gravy. This is what I want. Now I'm going to bring the meat. Now we're going to cook our meat with our tadka. And we're going to cook it until it's fully cooked. So keep stirring. Now I'm going to bring the gas on high. And we're going to cook on high gas for 2 minutes. I'm turning the meat. It started to change the color. We cut the meat into small pieces. That's one of the reasons it starts cooking fast. Cooking pork meat for 2 minutes on a high gas. Now I'm going to bring the gas to medium. Keep mixing, keep turning so it won't get burned at the bottom. We're going to spread it evenly. It's looking delicious. I'm going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. On medium flame, cooking for 5 minutes with the closed lid. After 3 minutes, I opened it and I stir it once. It's looking good. If we look at our meat, it's cut through. It's 75% the meat is cooked. And now I'm going to bring 1 cup water. It's a hot water. And mix it well. And now I'm going to bring the gas on high. Once it's nicely combined, look at the gravy. It's perfect. On a high gas, cover with the lid. We're going to cook for 5 minutes. The pressure cooker, no more air. It's all done. This is all perfect. Still, we have water in there. Cooking pork meat for 6 minutes. I said we're going to cook it for 5 minutes altogether. Now it's a 6 minutes. After 3 minutes, I opened it, I stirred it. I'm going to start the fan and I'll open the lid. Wow, it's nicely perfect. You can eat pork gravy as is. This is the perfect pork meat you can eat with the rice flour, roti, chapati, pulka, naan, tortilla. This is perfect. If we look at the meat, any piece, it's nicely cut through. So it's nicely cooked. So now I'm going to bring black eyed peas. And I'll bring the temperature to medium. Mix it well. It's looking really nice. This is the perfect gravy. So on a medium gas, cover with the lid. Cook it for 2 minutes. Cooking for 2 minutes. Start the fan. This is looking perfect. Now I'm going to bring good amount of cilantro. Mix it well. I'm going to bring the gas to simmer. I'm going to cover with the lid again for 1 minute so that it can absorb all the nice flavor from cilantro. And when we're going to eat the dish, it's going to taste really well. Cooking on a simmer for 1 minute. I'm going to open it and our dish is all ready. It's perfectly done. Turn off the gas. I'll get my serving bowl and I'll dish out. Our delicious pork with the black eyed peas dish is ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this dish, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.